pull your food forward, depending on what type of freezer you have, or sit your food on top of your other food, like if you've got drawers. So, you know, make sure you always have your oldest frozen stuff at the front or on the top. So you use that first before you use your newer stuff. I get a bit complacent with that actually and just shove stuff in, and then I go, oh, I've got something right at the back here. Oh, what's that? Oh, that's been in there a really long
Go
time.
through your freezer as well to not get into that habit. So there's times where I will let my freezer get really, really empty.